Welcome to custom web development projects by using ChatGPT or AI. In this specific video or tutorial, I am going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to generate our custom coding like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for our simple calculator project. If you are really interested that how we can create a simple calculator project which can handle addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as division operation, then watch this video complete. So here is my chat GPT. So you can use any a model. It is not important to use chat GPT. You can also use any other platform like DeepSeek and Meta Llama platform, Perplexity, as well as Gemini, and any other which you want. So I am going to use ChatGPT. So first of all, we need two major things, which one is our code editor. I will use Visual Studio Code. You can use any other, but I will suggest you to use Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And second thing which we have to create, which is a new folder, and give your folder to a name of your project. I'm giving my project name as calculator, simple calculator. And after that, open your Visual Studio Code. Here is my Visual Studio Code. I am going to open new project, and here is a open folder option. Just click on open folder and select that folder that you have created. Here is a simple calculator. Just select folder, and here you must have to check this yes I trust the author button. Close the copilot, and here is a new file option, creation option. Here is a new file creation option. As I click it, you can create any coding like a file like a .html, .css, .js as well as .py python. So in this specific video I am using so we in this specific video we are using, or we are going to use, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first, we need three files. So one is index.html. You can put any name, HTML, as well as I will create style.css, and at the end script.js for JavaScript code. So here are these files, index.html, in which we will write or paste our index, HTML code, as well as here is style.css. In this section or in this file we will write our styling code, and in this script.js file we will script JavaScript scripts or coding. So our first phase, I think we have finished. Now let's move to our final phase, which is code generation stage. So I will give a simple prompt to ChatGPT, which is generate. Let us clear. I want to build a simple calculator of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operation. So give me HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and this code separately. Note the layout or design we cool, interactive, and modern. So sorry if I put any mistake in spelling. So here is our HTML index.html file code, and here is CSS style.css, as well as if I go down, here is script.js, which is JavaScript code, and it is highlighting features: clean and modern glossy design with gradients, responsive layout that fits desktop as and mobile, basic arithmetic operations, plus minus, multiplication, division, clear C and backspace buttons, smooth hover and click effects. I'm going to like it. So now it is time to copy index.html code and paste the respective file, as well as copy the style.css, paste in style.css file, go down, copy JavaScript code and paste here. Make sure you should save your project. If I click on live preview, and one thing more, if you have not installed show live preview, then here is a extension option, and here is a Microsoft live preview extension. Just click on, and here you will be install button. Just click on install, and it will install in your VS Code. Now, if you have successfully installed, when you have successfully installed live preview, then in HTML file, you will be a option of show preview. If you click on show preview, you can see that the live preview is here. If I click on three bars, open in browser, so you can see that here is our calculator. Let us we check whether it is working or not. So if I click on 12 multiply 3 equal to 36, so it is right. Let's try another. 50 minus 4, 46. Now let's try a big figure. 7 5 point multiply by 454. You can see that the all function is working. If you found this video helpful, Then like this video, comment in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.